नमस्ते प्रधानमंत्री जी, यूएस डील की शुभकामनाएं।
सर यूएस डील
बोला ना, थैंक यू।
A very crucial meeting coming up. Aishwarya, my colleague, joining us on the phone line. Aishwarya, of course, a day to rejoice, a day, of course, where Prime Minister Modi has also taken to social media platform announcing that deal that has first been announced by Donald Trump. Huge relief for exporters. What does this really mean for India, given the fact that we are seeing, the markets doing well this morning. We're seeing the rupee also strengthening against the dollar. And there, this very crucial meeting of Prime Minister Modi, Amit Shah, arriving for the NDA parliamentary party meeting. Take us through who all are going to be there, and of course those big smiles that we are seeing from the Prime Minister, the Home Minister and others there who are going to be part of that meeting.
Well, certainly this NDA parliamentary party meeting is taking place day after the US trade deal has been announced, and certainly when Prime Minister and being visited by the media persons, he smiled that
Key huddle of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. There we have Prime Minister Modi there arriving for the NDA parliamentary party meeting that's going to be taking place not just with the MPs belonging to the BJP but also the TDP, the JDU, the LJP, as well as people from the Shiv Sena. We're talking about MPs from the Shiv Sena, the JDS and other constituents of the NDA. So they have all started arriving. Prime Minister Modi there expected to address the lawmakers on a host of issues at this meeting that is taking place this morning. The Prime Minister there chairing the NDA parliamentary party meeting with that key huddle taking place of the ruling coalition MPs. The Home Minister there arrives for the meeting as well.
नमस्ते प्रधानमंत्री जी, यूएस डील की शुभकामनाएं।
सर यूएस डील
बोला ना, थैंक यू।
So the NDA parliamentary meeting that is coming up minutes from now, and of course it is Prime Minister Modi who has reached the venue. There you can see Prime Minister Modi there reaching and of course being congratulated on coming up with that deal, for striking that deal with the United States, the father of all deals, when it comes to the Indian export market to the United States. Tejasri, my colleague, joining us. Tejasri, who all are going to be part of this meeting? What all is expected? Take us through the details.
Well, of course, today's meeting is very much important. NDA parliamentary meeting today there, and PM has just arrived. We saw the picture where Prime Minister is also saying thank you when he was congratulated on the US trade deal. Remember that today's meeting is the NDA parliamentary meeting, and which is scheduled to take place just in few minutes from now. And what we're also getting to know that this meeting comes to a very important point at a point of time when India-US trade deal were announced, the tariffs were reduced, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Donald Trump spoke with each other on the phone calls, and then there were massive developments that unfolded yesterday night, and perhaps that is why today this parliamentary meeting is very much important. Needs to be seen that what all things are discussed in the parliament in this meeting. Definitely this will be one of the agenda, the Indo-US trade deal which took place yesterday night, but also important to note is all what things happen in the parliament that could also be discussed, because on one hand opposition is also holding a meeting. The Congress party, in fact, particularly is holding a meeting with all its MPs so as to decide its strategy on how they are going to take that issue forward on what Rahul Gandhi spoke yesterday. So counter attack versus how the government is going to, give the counters for the attack that the Congress party is going to make, because we have seen that how the Indo-US trade deal has also turned out into a political war of words. The Congress party has been raising guns, saying that why always it is President Trump who has to announce, and why there is no clear-cut answer, or there is no transparency from the side of Indian diaspora, why we do not get a clear answer what has happened on the purchases of the oil. So all these things will be picked up by the MPs by the Congress party MPs in the parliament. Huge uproar in the parliament. The political fireworks expected today as the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha begins.
Well, several political and governance related issues, but of course, taking precedence, not just the union budget, but also the trade deal with the United States. Let's listen in to Prime Minister Modi.
नमस्ते प्रधानमंत्री जी यूएस डील की शुभकामनाएं।
सर यूएस डील
Prime Minister Modi there thanking the reporters questioning him about the US deal, the father of all deals that Prime Minister Modi has in fact reached with the United States. Donald Trump calling him a good friend, a good leader of the country. Prime Minister Modi, do remember, has thanked Donald Trump on behalf of the 1.4 billion people of the country, saying when two large economies and two large great democracies come together, then it benefits the people of the United States and India. Do remember that the conditions being that the United States has made these claims as far as the president is concerned, that India now will stop buying crude oil from Russia, will buy now American products, will buy Venezuelan oil, and the investment as far as US products is concerned, that is an investment of $500 billion. Well, of course, these are visuals coming in from inside that parliamentary meeting that's taking place with all the leaders there.